We are currently on the Personal Report Settings page of the test settings. Here is where you can customize the content of candidates' reports for this test. Adjusted report settings will be applied only on the candidate's side, while the test managers will see the entire content. The Show Report field is set during the test creation process and describes when the candidate will be able to see the report. You can choose from the following options. Show report immediately after grading, which means the candidate will receive a notification for the test results after the test manager grades the test. Immediately after finishing the test, which will show the report as soon as the candidate finishes the test. Immediately after result verification, the test results will be available to candidates after the test manager verifies the test. On manager's approval, test results will be visible to candidates only after the manager approves the results. Real-time grading instantly assesses candidates' answers, providing immediate results on correct and incorrect answers. Check this button to define the time frame during which question details will be visible to candidates upon opening the report. It can be unlimited or limited in hours, minutes, and seconds. In this field, you can choose to show the report content as score only, or score and additional details, such as a preview of correct and incorrect answers, etc. Click this button to show the achieved score in the personal report. By clicking this, you will display the table with the pool scores above the question details. This option will display the score for each question and allow the download of the personal report as an Excel file. This will enable candidates to download their score reports from the personal report. If you enable this option, candidates will be able to download knowledge deficiency reports from the personal report. The report will display question pools with the incorrectly answered questions. This will disable the notes that the candidate took during the test from being seen in the personal report. Only the instructor can view them in the report. This will show the percentage required to pass the test in the personal report. By checking this box, the user groups the candidate belongs to will be shown. To add a chart to the report, you can click this button and choose a name for a description and select an existing value from this drop-down menu. Selected question points can be calculated as a sum or an average value. Click on the 3 dots to see more options. You can choose to edit this chart or remove it. We can edit the name, the description, the value, and also the chart export template. The title and description can both be translated to different languages. In this drop-down menu, you can choose which language you'd like it to be translated to, and then type out a message text. After you save it, it will be memorized. A little lower, you can add a category to this chart as well. Click on this button and give it a name and a description. They can also be translasted into different languages. We can set the criteria for the category here. Maybe we would like to say that the pool contains economics. All you have to do is choose Pool in the drop-down menu, then Contains, and finally Economics, or any other topic of your choice. The variations are endless. You can add another criteria by selecting the Options button and choosing Insert Simple Filter after. If you want to remove it, just click the bin icon next to it. And finally, let's choose a dataset. Input the name and description in these fields. Optionally translate them in the same fashion as the last two, and choose a color to differentiate them. It would help to do so if you have many datasets. In the same fashion as the category criterions, you can filter out what you'd like to have here. For instance, the difficulty level. If you are satisfied with the changes, click the Save button. Please refer to the Help section or watch our instructional videos in the application's top right corner for further information or assistance.